Hello, how are you? Welcome once again to this your channel. With this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make our Princess Raya. With this first part I want to show you all the materials that we will need and the videos you need to see before continuing with the second part. Our Princess Raya is about 30 centimeters. For the body, we already have a tutorial on this channel. In the description of this video, you can find the links. You just have to know the following. In this tutorial, the body is made with flesh colored yarn, and for Raya, you will use wheat colored yarn. And for her underwear, you will use strong tan yarn. Also, from round 38 to 48, we will use mango yellow yarn. Also, for her hair, we have a tutorial ready in this channel. We will make this hair like our Princess Moana's hair. Moana's hair is made with strong brown yarn, but for Raya, we will use black yarn. We will do it exactly the same, but we will place it differently at the end of this video. In the description of this tutorial you will also find the link to that video. So let's see the materials that we will need. We will need approximately 66 grams of wheat colored yarn for her body, white and tan or brown yarn for details on her eyes. We will use strong tan yarn for the jacket, shoes, and some details on her hat. We will use yellow mango yarn, we will use approximately 50 grams of black yarn for her hair, lime green approximately 25 grams for her pants, gold colored yarn for this detail on her pants and for that detail on her hat, about 20 grams of straw colored yarn, also approximately 30 grams of Burdeos red yarn. That's the name of this brand of Sinfonia No. 8 yarn that I use. It is a red. Also, I will use 10 mm safety eyes. Also, you can use them smaller or larger as you like. For support her head, we will use a silicone tube with 1 centimeter in diameter and never less than 12 centimeters long. Stuffed 2.5 millimeters hook. I use 2.5 millimeters hook for the X-shaped single crochet. If you do the V-shaped single crochet, I recommend a 2.0 millimeters hook. In the description of this video you can find a link if you want to know more about this. Also, we will use a wool needle, scissors, and pins. Also, I will use this material in red. Its name is Velcro, and we will use it as a closer for the red cap. And only if you like, we will put a little blush on her cheeks. This is all the materials that we will need. I hope you have decided to make our Princess Raya, and if so, let's see how to style her once we have her hair ready. You can see now how I do it. Please pay close attention. this is the result. I hope you like this tutorial, and if it's like that, please don't forget to give me a like and your comment. I really appreciate it, and that support this wonderful project. YouTube detects that our tutorials are to the liking and makes them reach more and more people. In the next tutorial, we will make more details to her inner blouse and her jacket. So, if you haven't yet part of this wonderful community, what are you waiting for? I invite you to subscribe and activate the bell so you receive notification every time that I upload a new video. Thanks a million for watching this video to the end. Until next time, bye bye!